Cerita legenda Lutung Kesarung, The Legend of Lutung Kesarung. Once upon a time at Tatarpa, Sudan, there is a kingdom that led by wise a king. His name is Prabu Trans. Prabu Tapa Agung was two beautiful daughters, Nyapri Purbawarang and Purbasari sister. Upon approaching the end of this life, King Supreme fought for freedom, wanting her young daughter Purbasari and Philippus. I was too old. It time the exhibition at Prabu Tapa. Purbasari had brother named Purbabarang, had upon a younger brother. His younger represents father. I am eldest daughters. So my father chose me as his super successor. Grandson Purbarang as his fiancé named Indrajaya. Kagrimanya, alas, I have the intention to make it hard fit your younger brother. And asked grandmother magic for my Mataria Purbasari. Can magic put spell Purbasari so that time Sudan become black leather Purbasari. Purbarang so have reason to exit his sister. People who are condemned sent him on vow of being of queen, said Purbarang. This does his send his sister to insulin Purbasarang to forest. In forest, the peasant king announced with making content Purbasari. He also defend Purbasari. Beaten of princess to our dollar children come to end. Two emeralds will sure always be princess. Thank you and uncle, say Purbasari. During this time, in the jungle, he had a lot friend that animal. The anyway got to him. Among the animal, there is a mysterious black hair. But if that is almost attention, Purbasari Lutung Kasarung and always expression Purbasari with flower, get beautiful flower and fruit along this his friend. On the nights of the full moons, Lutung Kasarung have were welcome to qualified the meditation has began. Something to gods. Lutung Kasarung profess that is not on Oremban sorry theater and land the Lutung break, creating smell like the water is clear. The water content drug is very friends. Lutung Kasarung next and Purbasari blankets the like what the furniture me. This Purbasari but was feeling complete shortly after. Only himself something happening on his skin. His skin become clean as before, and it become beautiful again. Purbasari was very surprised and excited. And why the surprise is in like. At first, Purbasari the canon the same brother in the forest. He went the influence away bodyguard. When I repent the forest, finally meet with sister. Relocate the son. Barang kau will not believe her sister back before. He did not what lost face infinity Purbasari that who is long hair wearing, said Purbasari was only on living but because the elder brother Meldian ordinary continued in higher longer Purbasari. Well lost but now husband pinches to keep us my friend and some Purbarang well approaching to Indrajaya Purbasari started to wicked and composition. Finally glad intelligent hand Lutung Kasarung bobbing as fun Purbasari Purbarang lounge hot lounge so monkey your friend. At time also Lutung Kasarung soon meditate all as Sudan happen at a miracle Lutung Kasarung. Jennifer dashing moment very handsome face more that the JL was surprised to see the ancient archer Purbarang finally admitted his defeat and his will over his. His apology to his younger brother had begun not to vanish. Purbasari had king forgiven. After he found that it felt all the back to a palace, Purbasari took a queen. Accompanied young Indrajaya, the young man was out to be has and always be accompanied in the forest from Lutung Kasarung.